Negative and fractional indices. Let's solve these two questions we have on the board on fractional indices. Okay, solution. So number one, let's take question one. Okay, let's manage the space. You have 1 to be 3x to the power of 0.5 multiplied by 4x power of minus 0.5. Okay, now before we solve this question, okay, we are going to I noticed one thing in this question. Here we have 0.5 and we have minus 0.5, so I'm not going to change the decimals to fractions here. I won't do that. I'll just go ahead and have 3x multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 4x minus 0.5. Okay, so here I'm going to have 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by x to the power 0.5 multiplied by what? X here to the power what? Minus 0.5. Okay, so one of our index law is that when we have the same base here and we are multiplying, when you are multiplying the base, you are going to be adding the power. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 4 here, you have 12. And what do we have here? Here we are going to have x to the power 0.5 plus minus 0.5. Okay, so what do we have here? This is going to be 12 multiplied by x to the power of what? 0.5 minus plus times minus is minus 0.5. So here we are going to have 12x. This is 0 raised to the power 0. Okay, now recall now that x to the power of 0 is equals to what? 1. Okay, any number to the power of what? 0, you have 1. So here we are going to have 12 times 1, and our final answer will be what? 12. That's for number 1. Let's solve number 2 question now. Here we have 64 x to the power of 10, and then all together raised to the power 1 over 2. That's half. Now you agree with me now that you have 64 raised to the power half, okay, and x raised to the power 10, and then you have that. Okay, that's what we have. Now x 64 raised to the power half, that means square root of 64. Okay, and then here you are going to have, recall now that x raised to the power a bracket b is what? X raised to the power ab. You are going to be multiplying these together, and then you have x raised to the power 10 over 2. 10 multiplied by 1 over 2. So what do we have here? This is 8 square root of 64. And what do we have here? This is x raised to the power 5, because 2 in 10, you have 5. So this is going to be final answer for the second question.